Hello everybody. So I told you to visit this web page, and as you can see, when you come here you can see all the resources, all the information the red tea detox vendor shared with their affiliates, so that you can get some ideas how you should promote this product. And I have browsed all this information. I have learned how to promote this product, and I created already my own marketing plan. And as you can see, I have noted down my marketing plan here. And for the first time, at my first step, so I'm going to purchase an exact match domain, and there I will create a very simple review about this product, what is this product and how does it work. And I'm going to collect some testimonials, and I will put those testimonials on my landing page. And I will also tell my visitors that if they purchase through my affiliate link, they will get some bonuses, and I will get these bonuses from here because they've already shared some bonuses, some ebooks, and I already collected this, and I will show this on my landing page. And if they purchase this product, they will get these bonuses. And in the next step, I will create 2 videos, and I will upload those on YouTube. Then I will run a paid ad using Google Ads to gain some views. Then I will also run paid Facebook group ads, and finally I will wait for a few days, then start retargeting ads. And this is just my basic marketing plan, and I will add some more steps when I see some conversions. As you can see, I have just started promoting this product. I don't know which traffic source is really gonna convert for this product, so I need to make sure I'm sending some test traffic. And when I see I get some conversions, when I start getting some sales, then I will start more ads, and more marketing methods I will add in later. So these are just my basic marketing plan, and I'm going to show you in the next video this step: EMD domain and review landing page with bonuses. Thank you very much.